ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 1st of December, and parts of North Alabama getting a little snow cover today. How about that to start off this the first day of meteorological winter? Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots. We'll begin with a look at the Coleman Skycam this morning. This was captured about 6:15 during our newscast, one of those good snow showers passing across the site. You can see the snow coming down by that light there on Highway 278. And it produced scenes like this. This was a shot coming from Ash Ridge. That's up in northern Winston County, north of Double Springs. A nice dusting for a lot of folks across parts of Marion, Winston, Coleman, Blount, DeKalb counties, Marshall County. There's a look at the Coleman Skycam at about 2 o'clock this afternoon, and most of the snow there has melted away. Well, there's our cold upper trough. Temperatures aloft are extremely cold, making for a very unstable atmosphere despite the cool surface temperatures. That's the reason for the instability snow showers out there today. And the trough axis is still to the west. That'll be coming across the state tonight. Temperatures are indeed cold. We've got readings only in the 30s up over the Tennessee Valley. In fact, our Coleman Skycam only had 37 degrees when I checked that thing at 2 o'clock. Low 40s elsewhere. And we'll be pretty cold tonight. We're expecting lows in the mid to upper 20s, but we'll start a slow warm-up tomorrow. Peek at the radar, and this is at 2 o'clock, and you can see a few little snow showers and flurries scattered about from Birmingham back over to Anniston and up to Gadsden. Snowflakes flying along Interstate 59 and Interstate 20. Even a few specks there over parts of Tuscaloosa and western Jefferson counties. Here's the Columbus, Mississippi next red. Again, a few snow showers up over the Tennessee Valley, scattered from Muscle Shoals back over to Huntsville. All of these will fade away this evening once the sun goes down, and tomorrow the sun will be back in full force. Now, the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Saturday morning at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/10 of an inch, and that's more like it. You know, this thing earlier showed much heavier totals. This will be with our event late Wednesday night and Thursday, and I think that's right. We figure most spots will get under a 1/4 inch of rain Thursday morning. Well, look at the modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground, the trough moving to the east. And again, after a cold start, we think we'll see a high in the mid to upper 40s tomorrow. That's still way below average, but certainly better than today. And the sun will be back out, and the wind will not be as bad. And then Wednesday, a good chance we'll be approaching 60 by afternoon as the thickness values goes way up. And we do note another cold front to the northwest, and Thursday that front comes on in here. Still looks like the better chance of rain with that thing could be from about midnight Wednesday night until 12 noon Thursday. And with the limited moisture, rain of probably a 1/4 inch or so. And then Friday, wrapping up the week, the front kind of stalls out near the Gulf Coast. We are in cool, dry air. So Friday looks like a cool, dry day with a good deal of sunshine. Now, Saturday starting off the weekend, we've still got a cold eastern trough here and a northwest flow aloft. And down below that, the model has now gone pretty dry. You know, this morning we showed you a look that suggested maybe some light snow to the north, light rain to the south. Well, now even most of that is gone, so I think we can kind of roll with a dry forecast for now for Saturday. We'll just call it partly sunny. And Sunday looks like a dry and cool day as a northerly flow kicks in with highs probably in the low 50s, if that's right. And Monday of next week, the 8th of December, looks dry and warmer. But the next day on Tuesday the 9th, pretty good-looking trough over Texas, and that looks a little wet. So there is some good consistency in the idea of the next decent rain event here being a week from tomorrow, Tuesday the 9th of December. And we'll look at the end of the forecast cycle. This is the 17th. Hey, about a week before Christmas. And that shows that kind of we're in between the cold trough to the north and a subtropical ridge to the south, and that kind of hints at maybe a stalled front and kind of wet weather in there. But again, there's awfully cold air just north of here. Looks like it's going to be an interesting month, so we'll be here waiting and watching. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather